Hey Tom, hey, I've got something going on here that hopefully I'm going to learn something from this because it's definitely a mystery to me right now. But let me show you what's going on. So what you're looking at here is this is the I guess the mess of wires that represents the project that I'm doing, latest Upwork project for what these guys are calling Range React. That basically points a laser at a target for someone to shoot. And when the microphone picks up the shot, it moves to the next target and it times the reaction, that kind of thing. So, anyway, I'm moving forward with kind of the power arrangement. They wanted me to install a switch like this. It has an LED on it to actually turn it on. And it actually what it'll do is it'll show the status of Bluetooth connection for the LED, and I've got that hooked up. But when I installed this guy, something strange started happening. So I am, so basically, I've got these batteries that are powering it here, um, and I've got the regulator there that the L78 that converts it from the 7.4 volts down to 5 for me. And I had been I've been using this board here that I made on another project to make use of this. I think it's called a linear regulator. I believe is what that is. But it converts anything from, I think, 24 volts down to 3. Actually, this is what I used in my boat for my live well aerator. And since I've got this designed into this project, I figured out that I could use it while I'm doing my breadboard design. Hopefully, I'm not messing up doing this. The only thing that it's powering on this board basically is the MCU here, the ESP32, and this LED. So hopefully, that's not messing with anything here. I don't think that it is, because in this design here, all I'm doing is taking in this case, it's 5 volt coming from the linear regulator or the regulator there and converting it into 3 volt. It's got some capacitors that it's passing through, and then it's powering a 3 volt terminal right here. This was to provide power to the MOSFET in the boat. So I'm using it to provide 3 volt circuit into the breadboard here. And so the way I have it hooked up now, kind of is the way I've been using it. The 12 volt pin there is actually hooked up to uh, the outside of the linear regulator. You can see there. So it's 5 volt is feeding in here. But something strange happened when I installed this switch. So when I installed the switch, I had to switch some things around. So let me unplug this guy here for a minute. And I'm going to plug it into, I might have to move the phone in here. So now I've got it plugged into the feed that's actually powering the rail here, the 5 volt rail. And so I've got the wire coming from the L78, the 5 volt, the common wire for the switch, and the switch is connected to ground. And now the white wire that was connected to the L78 is now connected as well. So when I turn the switch on, watch what happens. So everything powers up here on the board. The servos are engaged. The Where's my laser? Missing my laser, I think. Oh no, I'm sorry, laser's up here. Good Lord, I'm losing my mind. Um, anyway, so you notice that the this guy quit reading. So I've got 5 volt coming in, and now only 17 volts going out for 3 volts. And so I'm not sure what's doing that. That's weird. So I did some more troubleshooting on it. So let me power this thing off. And so the LED comes back on here. If I remove, I'm going to remove power for one of the servos. I think I can't remember if I did 2 or if I did 1. Let's see, power it back up. All right, yeah, so I just did 1. So I just removed power for just one of the servos. And now I'll plug it back up on the power line. And that guy stays on. So now both servos are powered. Yep. And then I don't have the laser on. Let me see if I can turn that laser on. I don't know if I can do that without having it connected. Yeah, I'm going to try it with the... Oh, there it goes. It just turned on. So now the laser's on too. And that LED lets me know that it's on. But anyway, there's something going on here. Hopefully I'm going to learn something from this. I guess maybe I can check the current and see how much of a current draw there is when this thing powers up. This maybe this regulator here is kind of susceptible to a spike in current draw or something. I don't know. But anyway, I thought I'd video this and send it your way. And if you got some time this week, maybe you can ask me a few questions and learn some more about it and maybe help me determine what's going on. Thanks, bud.